We are at Bugesera district in the sector of Gashora in Rwanda in the eastern province. Your television Peace TV was in the place this Friday, 28 September 2018 in the camp of Gashora where Burundian refugees live. There was a distribution of clothes to women and children. Each person had right to receive 3 clothes. That assistance was given by the association Ubuntu Isoko Ry'ubumenyi based in Canada. The representative of the association, Directives, says that men's clothes will be available shortly. The same for the 2 babies who didn't receive that assistance. Directives talks about the act of charity they did.
I give this as Director Creator of the Ubuntu Association, Source of Knowledge Society, but in collaboration with the charity that have agreed to answer my call to bring together the crops for the refugees.
The Rwanda-Canadian woman thanks those who gave their support that assistance.
I really thank the student for Mahama Ipika who made a contribution of $50,000 to rent the van that brought the clothes. If not, I have done everything I could, and I am happy that refugees who are here will be able to get the clothes. Where other charity begins with oneself, I am Rwandan likewise. I knew their needs. I was visiting the country and then I knew their needs and I should start with them.
Azaria Karangwa, in charge of Gashora camp, appreciates the aid which is added to what was given to those refugees by UNHCR and Rwandan government. Report that the Gashora camp had.
C'est vraiment appréciable parce que.
That's really good because it's not always that the UNHCR or the government is offering clothes to the camps. Preferably, we have food. We also have other things that happen to the daily needs of refugees. But it's not every day that we have gifts of clothes, and when there is someone who gives it, we appreciate, and it improves the dignity of the person.
Ça augmente la dignité de la personne que nous recevons.
That Friday, 31 persons waiting to be sent in other camps, that is 6 men, 6 women, and 19 children.